Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Learn Hotcase Special. My name is Rahul Rohila, and today we are going to be discussing an American Olympiad problem. So we are going to talk about a number theory problem. It's a congruence problem from USA Mathematics Olympiad. So USAMO, this is almost like INMO. So this is the third stage of Olympiad, like we have here in India, INMO. So this was a problem which was asked in that exam. So let's start. So first of all, let's talk about what is the problem, and I will be changing a format a little on how we deliver this. I got a feedback from all the comments that you guys keep putting. So I will tell you what you can use here. I'll give you some hints, and then you can pause the video and you can solve it yourself. If you're able to solve it, then you can check out my solution. And if you have any difficulty, well, obviously you can watch it. So first, let me give you the hints for the question, and obviously what is the question. So question says, determine all non-negative integral solutions n1, n2 till n14. So there are 14 numbers, non-negative integers, apart from permutation, right? So like, you only care about what is the solution. Like if there is a solution, let's say 101. Let's say there are only three numbers. Let's say 101 is a solution. Then I don't really care about this solution. This will be a permutation, है ना? यहाँ पे मैंने वैल्यू चेंज कर दी, पोजीशन चेंज कर दी. पहले वेरिएबल की 0, दूसरे वेरिएबल की 1, थर्ड की 1, और इसमें पहले 1 है. सो दिस इज अ परम्यूटेशन. सो दिस विल बी ट्रीटेड एज ओनली वन सोल्यूशन. ठीक है. सो क्वेश्चन सेज find the solution of this equation n1 to the power 4, n2 to the power 4 till n14 to the power 4. The sum is 1599. So we have to solve this equation. Now first of all, let me give you the hints for this particular question. So hint is basically first hint. First of all, what you have to remember, or there is a property in congruence with mod 16. Okay, mod 16, there is a particular division for any number whose power is 4. Okay, if you have a number whose power is 4, a natural number, and you divide it with 16, there are some possibility remainders that you can get. One remainder that you can get basically is either 0 or 1 mod 16. Okay, like if I want to take some example, 1 to the power 4 is 1, 2 to the power 4 is 16, 3 to the power 4 is 81, 4 to the power 4 is 256, and so on. If I divide these numbers with 16, the remainder that I get is 1. In this case, remainder comes out to be 0. In this case, remainder comes out to be 1. In this case, remainder comes out to be 0. So any number, if I put it to a power 4, and if that number is divided by 16, the possible remainders are 0 and 1. So we are going to be using this property of mod 16 in this particular question. Now is a good time to stop the video and try to solve the question yourself. Okay, I hope you guys solved it. I hope you were able to find it out. Now let's talk about how I am planning to approach this problem. What I will do here is, first I will check, okay, if I take a number n1, let me just change the color. If I take the number n1 and if I put it to the power 4, if I divide it with 16, the remainder could be 0 or 1. Okay? Remainder could be 0 or 1. Right? Similarly, n2, if I divide it with 16, n to the power 4, the power should be 4. The remainder, again, possibility is from 0 to 1. Only two possibilities of remainders. I will keep doing that, and I will do it for all the numbers. n14 to the power 4. Again, when I take a congruence with this, either the remainder could be 0 or 1 mod 16. Now, when I add all these congruences, when I basically add these all congruences, what are the possible remainders that I can get? अगर मैं सारे congruences को add कर दूं from n1 to the power 4 is congruent with either 0 or 1 mod 16, then n2, then n3, then n4 till n14. If I add them all, the possible values of remainders are from 0. Like that will be the minimum number. Let's say all of them are divisible by 16. Then the sum will be divisible by 16, remainder would be 0. Or let's say one of them is divisible by 16 and rest of them are not. Then in that case, I will get my remainder as 30. And let's say if all of them are not divisible by 16, remainder would be 14. So the possibility of remainders comes from 0 till 14. These could be the possible values of remainders when the sum of this congruence is divided by 16, right? Now let's look at the right hand side, 1599. When I divide 1599 with 16, when this number is divided with 16, what is the remainder that I get? So you will see that the remainder I get here is 15 because 1600 is divisible by 16. So here the remainder comes out to be 15. Now again, on the left hand side, if I am dividing the sum of all these powers of 4 by 16, the possible values of remainders are coming in this range. Either the remainder could be 0, 1, 2, 3 till 14. The maximum value of remainder is 14. But on the right hand side, what I observe is that the remainder in this case is 15. So if here the remainder comes out to be 15 and here the remainder is from 0 to 14, this does not really make sense. And this basically tells us that there will not be any solution of this equation. Okay? So finally you can say that since we have this result and since the sum of all these congruences is congruent to mod 16, remainders are from 0 till 14 और यहाँ पे आ रहा है 15, so the answer will be no integral solution. Right? There will not be any integral solution for this particular problem. So I hope you guys got this. So this came in US AMO. It's like INMO and a very interesting problem. The only thing that you need to know is this. If you know this property, then I think the problem is solved. Also, let me know about how the new format is, where I give you the hint and I wait for some time, or you can pause the video and try to solve the question yourself and later watch the video. I think that will work out for every one of us, and I hope you practice more. And obviously, if you want to solve these kind of problems live with me and do more questions, solve Olympiad problems and prepare for Olympiads like IOQM or INMO, you can subscribe to Unacademy's Plus courses. I teach there online, and if you use my code, you can get a 10% off. My code is ROHILLA10, ROHILLA 10. So if you use my code, you'll get a discount. So I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day.